Hello everyone, my name is Ambika and welcome back to my channel ABCM. So in today's video I will be sharing how we can paint a paper cup. So as paper cup are little bit another design we can customize and make in our own style. So very long time ago I have posted a short on YouTube asking you guys that which design should I do. I have got only one comment which is of rabbit or you can say bunny. Two other are my own ideas. So I hope you will feel the video interesting. Without any further ado, let's begin. I hope you would have enjoyed watching this video. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up. Also, stay tuned for an interesting upcoming video. And how you can do that? Just subscribe to my channel and click the small bell notification to get notified for that new video. I will be seeing you in my next video very soon. Till then, bye bye.